Deep in the jungle, the sun was rising. Birds sang, and the animals woke up to a new day. But one little baby elephant looked around with worried eyes. He was lost and couldn't find his family. Just then, a playful monkey swung down from the trees. "Don't be afraid," said the monkey. "We will help you." A tall giraffe bent his long neck down and smiled. "I can see far away. Let me guide you to your family." Soon, a zebra trotted over. "Don't worry, little one. Together we will find your home." The kind animals walked together through the jungle, searching high and low. At last, they found the baby elephant's family waiting. The mother elephant trumpeted with joy. The baby was safe again, all thanks to his friends. Because in the jungle, friends always help each other.